Okay, here we are, continuation. I hope I can do this with one hand. I'm getting a little propane torch. I want to just warm these up a little bit. They're a little gooey. Put a gear on there. I should tell you, I took a razor blade and shaved down one of the sides to make these a little looser. Trying to do this with one hand. It's really tricky with one hand. Might be it. One more for good measure. Alright, what I'm doing is just heating up an old screwdriver. And melting the tabs over. And that's the way it is from the factory. Alright, I'll see you.